Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I restored this expensive name brand cutting board. As you can see, it was in pretty bad shape with some deep scratches and gouges all over both faces. So we're going to try to make it look brand new again today. I started by sanding both sides to the widebelt sander. You could use a regular belt sander for this if you don't have a widebelt sander. I then cleaned up both ends of the cutting board on the tabletop. Next, I set up my router with a 1/8 round over bit so I could do all of the edges and the ends and make that round corner look great again. With the round over done, it's time to start sanding. I started with 120, then moved on to 220, and I used a regular DeWalt sander for this. At this stage, you want to be careful to try and remove as many leftover scratches as you can see. I like to move from the bottom of the board to the top of the board and then back again. Try to cover the whole surface. For our finish sanding, we're going to use 220 grit sandpaper. We'll be using this to smooth out all of the faces and the edges of the board and create a nice smooth surface. After submerging the entire board in mineral oil for 6 minutes and letting it dry overnight, we move on to waxing the surfaces. I use a shop-made wax that's half beeswax and half mineral oil. But you can use whatever wax you like, just make sure that it's food safe. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.